Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Canva, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.canva.com and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will see multiple options for signing up. Choose one of the options such as using your Google account, Facebook account, or your email. If you select Google or Facebook, follow the prompts to log into your account. For email registration, click on Sign Up with Email. Enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address in the field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements shown on the screen. After filling in your information, click the Get Started button. You may be taken through a short onboarding process that introduces Canva features. Follow the prompts to complete any initial setup required. Finally, check your email for a verification message from Canva. Open the email and click the verification link provided to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you can log into Canva using your credentials. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to start designing on Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.